We are happily recording. We are still in Lake, or
no, we're not. We are in Northeast
Pennsylvania. And to be honest, oh, there it is. I was gonna say, to be honest, I don't know where this train is.
And the crossings are down
Quite early.
far away. Yeah,
that's good.
we're good. I mean, I'm glad that they promote safety, but at the same time.
Oh no, the thing came up. That's what happened. South Washington Street, Northeast PA. Nightly Railfanning.
Got a slow-moving train.
Yeah, that speck of light, that's the train. I ain't freaking out.
It's a CSX.
Neat.
Heading eastbound toward Buffalo.
Alright.
We caught the tail end of it just outside the city of Dunkirk about 10 minutes ago.
Yes.
And now we caught up to it. Sadly, while we were coming up chasing this one, two other trains passed us the opposite direction. But actually pretty good for this time of night, actually.
Yeah,
normally there's no trains
on the East Coast. Yes. That vlog was especially good.
Yeah, we had a pretty active day in Erie. I was very surprised. We have light engine movement too at the end of the yard in Erie. That was kind of interesting. And you know, a lot of pauses, a lot of yard movement, and
yeah, definitely. That was unique. It's very interesting because there's not a lot of light. You can't see much of the train on this, fortunately.
And that just also goes to show you where these tracks go. You know, these tracks go through a lot of very dark areas, very, you know, rural areas. Most of this line actually is through rural roads.
Which is nice that the train is, you know, going the speed that it is.
Yeah, only really until it gets to about Hamburg does it start hitting suburban areas, and then of course it goes through the city. Interestingly enough, I label the train areas that we visit. This is Aunt Millie's stop.
Yeah.
Even though technically, I think the real name of it's Hanford Bay, just outside of Irving. I still call it Aunt Millie's. So when I reference which way it's going, if it's south of here, I'd say going towards Aunt Millie's, or if it's north of here, going toward, going west, it's, going towards Aunt Millie's. And then Buffalo, Dunkirk, and then Erie. Because stuff between Dunkirk and Erie is not really important. Again, rural. Dunkirk's really the last major stop before Erie on the rail line. Has a yard and a connection to the power plant, a spur, which I actually seen a train on, which I was kind of surprised. NS has been a clunker today with one train that was very short that I think Dave caught on camera. It was in the background of the slow-moving train.
Oh, right, yeah. I think it's somewhere in the vlog. I kind of did the vlog and the Railfanning together, except for the night stuff.
And I don't know, we might be lucky, and if I have stamina, I might, be able to catch some more, a little bit more. One of the nights through, we'll see.
There's a Tim Martin's near here. If you need coffee.
That's the end.
Alright. See you at the next train. Here we go again. Now, as you can hear, there is actually double signals that you can hear this time around.
Those are LED. That is an electric signal, by the way.
Ooh.
Not a manual signal, a mechanical bell. It is an electronic bell. Train is coming from Buffalo, heading westbound towards where we were in Erie. Sounds like a pretty fast-moving train.
Yes. This side, right?
Yep. Oh, jeez.
I figured y'all didn't need to. Oh wow, that was